Hello and a warm welcome to the course. As your course instructor, I thought I'd take the opportunity to introduce myself to you very quickly before we get started. My name is Libby Seary and I'm a psychotherapist and a therapeutic life coach. I run a very successful practice in Harley Street, London, which is recognised the world over as being a centre of medical excellence. Over the years, I've had a number of my works published and have been privileged to appear on TV and radio many, many times. But my biggest passion by far is teaching, and a few years ago, I founded the Renaissance Life Therapies Training Academy. My online training academy offers courses which are all wrote by myself and reflect my areas of expertise, which includes self-development and therapeutic subjects. And thanks to the Udemy platform, I have students from all over the world. In fact, I now have students spanning 102 countries, something I'm very proud of. So once again, a very warm welcome to this course, which explores the subject of dyslexia and the role of a dyslexia therapist. As well as learning about the condition, we'll explore many other aspects associated with dyslexia that often go unregarded. By the end of the course, you'll have an understanding of how it affects a person's language and reading comprehension, as well as a number of other considerations. We'll have a look at how technology can assist a person living with dyslexia and how we can raise awareness in our schools and workplaces. The course is very different to any other because it's a very practical application of the techniques and skills I'm going to teach you. You'll have the opportunity to take part in a range of activities and exercises that will assist you in helping to treat and manage dyslexia. As we journey through the course together, you'll get the opportunity to see just how effective they are and why you made the right decision in choosing to study with me. Whatever your reasons are for taking the course, perhaps you have dyslexia yourself or would like to train as a dyslexia therapist. As with all of my courses, I'm here to help you and I'm available 7 days a week. Be sure to look out for the downloadable resources that accompany many of the lectures. So let's get started. In the next lecture, we'll be jumping right in and discovering what it feels like to have dyslexia, with the first activity in the course called the Dyslexia Experience.